Alright, so today we are making a counter app. Okay, so here is our app. So if you can see, here's you have to count the number we increase. Okay, and now if I click on this reset button, it will be at 0. So today we will going to create this app. Okay, count and reset. And now let's open new tab. Go to Codog, create app lab. Then, so first we will go to design. We will add a label here. And then we will increase its width to, you can increase it to anything, but I will increase it to 300. No, 300, not 300. Yes, 300 will fit in the screen. Yes. Now I'll increase its height. Means in the previous app I didn't keep the height like this, but in this app, if we have to put to 1000, so we have to just this and here, and now I'll increase the font size to 20 or 20. Now I will write 6000 here. Yes, it's just writing. Yes. Okay, okay, done. Now we will add a button here and a label here named as count, counter app. And now we will also increase its font size. Okay, done. Just increases size like this and like this, and I increase again. Done. And now we will go to this and we will click on screen. We'll choose upload file, and yesterday, no, upload file, open. Yes, here it is. So this I added the last. So I am just going to search a gaming wallpaper. You can take any wallpaper which you want. You can take any of your favorite wallpaper. Take this, just save image, save the image. Now go to app, choose upload file, open, choose. Yeah, it's applied. Now our, oh sorry, we just applied it at the wrong app. But applied it in this. Choose upload file, open, choose. Now it's done. Now I'm gonna change this is because okay. Now I will change this text color as white. Done. This button to count. And we'll put a button here also as reset. Done. Now our code is done. So you can see here is the label one. Okay. And you have to just put label 1 6 is 0. Okay. Just remember that you have to keep its text as 0. Please test as done. Okay, so I will do it as 60 or 70 if. Then on event, when what button one clicked, set text id label 1 here you have to put plus sign. Here get number, you have to put get number, label 1 plus what 1, and on event, and button 1 clicked, button 2 sorry, okay, button 2 clicked, set text, id is label 1 0. So this is a code, our code is done. Now we will see. Yes, it's working now. And let's check the reset button. Yes. Now, yes, it's working right. So here is the counter app which we have created. And bye everyone. Like the video and subscribe the channel.